In today's video, we want to show you how to reset your Gear S3. Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7. Now, if this is your first time visiting our channel, or if you've been here before but hadn't subscribed, we want to encourage you to take a moment and go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Now, while you're at it, go ahead and hit that bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. In today's video, we want to do a quick tutorial on how to reset your Gear S3 smartwatch. And so the Gear S3 smartwatch we're using today for our demonstration is the Gear S3 Frontier. And if you're interested in the WatchFace, I will leave the name of it down in the description area. So the first thing you would do is take your Gear S3 smartwatch, and the button at the bottom is considered the home button, and the button at the top is considered the back button. So go ahead and hit the home button and go to your apps. And right now it's on the message app. Just scroll around till you get to the settings icon there. Go ahead and tap on it to open it. And then you just need to scroll down to where you see device. Once you get to device, tap it once. And once that's open, then you're going to scroll down to where you will see reset gear. Go ahead and tap on that. And then of course, again, it will ask you for the second time if you want to reset your gear. And when it's reset, you will erase all downloads, apps, and personal information. And so you hit the check for yes or the X for no. We're going to go ahead and hit the X. And we're going to hit the back button to get back to a home screen. And that's really how all it takes to reset your Gear S3 smartwatch. So that's it for our video for today. And if this is your first time visiting our channel, or if you've been here before but hadn't subscribed, be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and hit that bell icon too, so you'll be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.